post-game press conference, we are joined by the best player of the game, Troy Rosario, and winning head coach, Jeff Carriazo. Coach Jeff, 3-game winning streak for Blackwater, your longest since last conference when you were up 3-0. And ever since si King naging import nyo, na ipanalo nyo lahat ng games nyo. What about him that has changed the players and the team? And of course, umiba yung storya ninyo when facing NLEX again.
Yeah, it's pretty much, it's obvious on the court the impact that George King has given us now the last 3 games. So he's really a fighter. He's a guy that doesn't get rattled, and he's a true professional. So we are very fortunate to have him. But I think aside from that, the numbers, I think you can expect naman from the imports. Now you expect them to come in and produce. So kasama sa trabaho nila yon, they have to produce. But what he brings of value and what we take on as a big value for our team is really his leadership, his composure, and the way he just inserts himself and how much he wants to be part of this team. So I think that has carried throughout all the players, and everyone is really just feeling good. Everyone feels good since he's been aboard. So we're fortunate to have won the last 3 games, but again, we feel like our backs are still against the wall and we need to keep pushing. So
thank you, Coach. Troy, 13 points nung third quarter. After quite a slow start nung game, ano nangyari nung halftime that really sparked yung gameplay mo?
Well, sa akin naman, kung ano yung sabihin ng mga coaches sa akin, yun gagawin ko lang naman. First half, I was tasked to guard the import sa kabilang team. So, nahirapan talaga ako makuha yung rhythm ko sa offense. Tapos, early fouls pa ako. Mahirap talagang bantayan pag may mga import eh. So, nag-suffer yung offense ko nung first half. Tapos yung second half, yung mga hulog lang ng bola sa mga offensive rebounds. May teammates din pinapasa sa akin pag alanganin na sa ilalim. So, na-convert ko lang na na-convert yung mga pasa nila galing sa magandang play namin.